Hey Spooky Rebels, welcome back to 13 Days of Spooky Makes. I hope you have been enjoying the series so far. I can't believe we're almost done and that Halloween is almost here. Oh my goodness, I had a great time planning these videos. I hope you guys enjoy them. So I'm going to be creating, as you probably guessed it by now, a altered record and sleeve, and ever since I did this back, I believe in March, I knew I wanted to do one for Halloween and I couldn't wait for this moment. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is going to be more of a process. I'm going to add music and I'll let you enjoy watching what I'm doing. Since I already have a tutorial that is pretty detailed, I will link it in the blog post as well as in the video description if you guys want to check it out again, or if you're new and you haven't watched it yet. I will also have the dimensions of this sleeve in the blog post on Patreon, so if you guys want to recreate it yourself, you'll have the dimensions there. If you have any questions, just ask me on Patreon or on Facebook. I'm gonna put on some music. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I'll see you next time on October 31st for the last tutorial. Bye, Spooky Rebels. Love you. started off as a little bit of a tricky project for me. I love how it turned out. Working with a monotone color scheme, just black, gray, and white, and holographic was a little tricky, but I think it turned out really, really cute. I love how it looks. I like how I added those dots around the border to kind of blend in and hide those stark edges. I really think that helps, especially with the blending of the black distressing around. I think it looks really good. I love the little spider webs tucked in. That's from Hey Pumpkin. So again, I'll have all the products linked in the video as well as in the blog post. And I think I'm gonna not trace that. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then this is the back. Once again, the little cute dancing skeleton. This is an SVG file that I cut out last year. If you guys are interested, I will have the SVG file linked as well. And yeah, I just did a little bit of scribbling on the corners of some of these little messy little lines, and to make kind of create like a faux stitching look. And that's the back. I think it's so fun. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 songs in this little EP. And so here's the record. I know it's super simple, but I love the way it looks. It's not overbearing and it's just really cute. So I hope you all enjoyed this fun DIY and project. I know I created a record before, but I really, really wanted to make another one for Halloween. So I hope you guys do enjoy this project. So I hope you guys can give this a try. And if you do, don't forget to tag me so I can check it out. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!